Hey ladies, I got my Honest Company trial box in the mail today, so I'm excited to unbox that and see what's inside.
Begin where it ends, and to begin, knock on that door so you can get in. And don't mind the time, forget all that's been. Get lost in a park, find a tree that will last, find a secret path that leads to our house, climb the stairs to the roof.
Hi guys, I wanted to do a sneak peek of a future vlog. I'm going to work on an hour of code. I'm not sure if you've seen it yet. Have heard a lot about this company, see a lot of other YouTube mommies getting Honest products, so I wanted to try it out. Now, I don't have anyone in diapers, so I obviously couldn't opt for that delivery. So I believe what I chose was the household cleaning supplies. And wow, actually on the back it says choose from over 50 products from our essentials bundle. So I didn't know they created so much. I think one thing that drew my attention was that if I could get like a non-toxic cleaner, now that we have the dog, I think that would be a good thing, especially for the dishwasher. So let's open our sample pack and see what we have. Okay, organic healing balm. Nourishing ointment for dry, irritated, and sensitive skin. All natural, soothing, hypoallergenic. The second product is Honest hand soap. You can never have enough of that in this house. Again, natural, non-toxic, enriching, and that's in a lavender scent. Let's see what that smells like. Get it open. It smells good. Honest face and body lotion. Natural hypoallergenic, ultra pure. Honest multi-surface cleaner. This is what I'm really interested in. Plant-based all-purpose cleanser, white grapefruit. An all-natural, fresh way to safely clean and remove dirt and buildup from virtually all surfaces and items in your home. Let's smell this. Oh, wow. I like that. And last, Honest shampoo and body wash. 2-in-1 hydrating, nourishing cleanser. Natural, hypoallergenic, and tear-free. So this would be great for the younger children. I do have a couple still. Sweet orange vanilla is the scent. Oh. And of course, it's not going to let me smell it like that, huh? I like that. Do you like that, Chase?
Yeah.
Chase is our camera lady.
Hi.
Vlogging at a young age. Her and Mommy are doing this together. So there you have it, the Honest Company trial. Just had to pay shipping and handling, and just kind of gives you a good variety of their products. We can all use hand soap, lotion, shampoo, multi-purpose cleaner. Really interested in that, again, trying to find non-toxic things since we have the puppy, and organic healing balm. Great for the dry skin in this windy, cold weather. Okay, ladies, give it a try. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.